Hi, in this quick demo, I'll show two powerful capabilities in Databricks, Marketplace and Partner Connect. First, I go to Marketplace from the left panel. Here, I can search for third-party datasets and data products. For example, I'll search for S&P. You can preview available assets, view details, and install them directly into your workspace. Now, going back to the Marketplace page, next I open Partner Connect. This allows you to integrate Databricks with external tools across the categories like data ingestion, business intelligence, reverse ETL, and more. For example, under the BI tools, I can select Power BI. Databricks provides guided integration, making it easy to securely connect and start analyzing data. And that's a quick overview of Marketplace and Partner Connect in Databricks.